Are you having trouble accessing and analyzing historical data with your SCADA system? Limited data access can hold you back from making informed decisions and improving operations. Expand to Canary Labs Historian, a seamless solution to supercharge your data management. Smooth integration. Works effortlessly with your current SCADA system. Better data access. Visualize trends and make comparisons in real time. Improved scalability. Handle massive datasets without slowdowns. Cost-effective. Optimize your storage while gaining advanced analytics. Unlock the full potential of your data with Canary Labs. Upgrade today and stay ahead. Ready to expand? Contact us at www.matrixinvent.com.